Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. So today it is Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. We are here with another live analysis. So if you look at what happened with GBPUSD overnight, we had this strong impulse wave back into value. Looks like we're squeezing all shorts all day. I want to look for buy opportunities today due to, this strong impulse wave. The overall target is going to be this 250 resistance level and even higher, especially, this 310 key level. So usually when I see these moves, how I catch these moves, what's going to happen is we're going to trap bulls here. We're going to come back down. And then once those bulls are trapped and it looks like a sell, that's when we're going to get this 5-minute, bear trap, and then that's when we're going to smash our opportunity. So, it's still early right now. It's still 8:30, so I expect this to happen 9:30. But like I said, I want to see price trap bulls up here, then I want to see price come back down. I want to see those bears get trapped. Once those bears get trapped, we're going to smash that buy opportunity up to the 650 key zone. So we'll be back at 9 o'clock when this thing is all ready. But right now, it's setting up. I've seen this move multiple times, and I know that it's going to trap bulls, come down, trap bears, and then move up. It sounds confusing, but we're going to make it work. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's 9 o'clock right now. Like I said, we got that bullish candle right now. We got this bearish candle. We're going to trap bears right now. And then right after that, we're going to come back into value and then push up. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to reject this. And we're going to take out that rejection. And then we're going to buy. I think we're going to drop to this level one more time. We'll probably trap bears right here at this 69 level, 5-minute chart. It's still a little early. It's 9:15. We'll be back when this thing sets up. Let's go. As you see, we're holding this level right here. Usually when I see something like this, it's usually a bull trap. So I think we're going to drop one more time. We're going to wait for sellers to be fully noticed. Once sellers are fully noticed, we're going to enter the buy opportunity. They're going to fuck everybody. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Alright guys, we're smashing it right now. We got this trap on the 5-minute chart. This thing's about to fucking fly. Let's go. Alright guys, that's it. We're done for the day. Target smashed. We'll come back in a little bit when more data presents itself. This thing is going to keep flying. We're still in position. We're only going to cut, actually we're going to cut 90%. We're going to let a little bit run out. This thing is squeezing all shorts, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're running 15 pips. Back. Alright guys, that's it. We done. If you see it, then you got it. Never give up. Alright guys, we'll be back tomorrow. That's it for the day. Like, we called it perfectly, guys. I told you guys in the beginning of the day, I said we're going to trap bulls, then we're going to trap bears. And look what happened. Look what happened. Word for fucking word. We know the game, motherfucker. Stop playing with me.